Kia ora, I'm Peter Kelly. I'm a retired aircraft engineer and I've been working at MOTAT volunteering for the last 10 years, restoring the aircraft that we've got in our displays. This is a Sikorsky S-76. It was built in 1979. It's had a very varied life. For a period it was operated by the Jordanian Air Force to transport King Hussein, and then it ended up in Australia with Dick Smith for his second circumnavigation of the globe in a helicopter. It ended up in New Zealand in 1997 and was operated by St John in Auckland for a short period before it was taken over by the Northland Emergency Services Trust, where it continued its operation until 2019, at which time it was used for spares for the rest of their fleet. It was given to MOTAT in 2023. When the helicopter arrived at MOTAT, it was largely disassembled. A lot of it was in boxes. So we had a challenge to work out what each bit was, but luckily Nest were able to provide us with a maintenance manual and parts catalogue, so that helped greatly in the assembly. It required quite extensive cleaning because it had been stored in a hangar for quite a number of years. There was a few major jobs we had to accomplish, like reassembling the tail rotor assembly, which was literally stripped down to the last nut and bolt. Nest were able to provide us with a full set of engine instruments and also some instruments from their old simulator to fill in some spaces that were empty. A full set. At the moment we're rerouting some of the wires so as we're able to provide power to the lighting circuits, and we've isolated just the lighting circuit so as when it's on display we can turn the nav lights on and the instrument lights and the passenger cabin lighting. At the moment, of course, we haven't got the rotor blades in because of the lack of space in the workshop, but when it comes for display time, we'll get the blades fitted. Well, having been in both the ambulance and the fire service for several years, I've found working on this project very satisfying at a personal level.